Most of us focus on what we put on our hair, but the real work happens deep in the scalp. Your hair is an accessory tissue, meaning your body sends nutrients there only after your vital organs are satisfied. Today, we're looking at the 11 foods that provide the biological building blocks for keratin, the protein that makes up 90% of your hair. First, we have eggs and Greek yogurt. Your hair is literally made of protein. Eggs contain biotin, which acts as a cofactor in the production of keratin. Meanwhile, Greek yogurt is rich in vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, which supports the natural blood flow to your scalp environment. Next, we have fatty fish like salmon, spinach, and avocados. Fatty fish provides omega-3s. Since your body can't produce these fats on its own, you have to eat them to help keep the hair shaft lubricated and shiny. Spinach is our top pick for plant-based iron. Iron helps your red blood cells transport oxygen to all your cells, including your follicle. Avocados are nature's vitamin E source, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the scalp from oxidative stress. For structural integrity, we look to sweet potatoes, nuts, and seeds. Sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. This helps your skin's sebaceous glands create the oils that prevent hair from becoming brittle. Nuts and seeds, like walnuts and chia, bring zinc and selenium to the table. These minerals are essential for the hair tissue growth and repair cycle. Finally, berries, beans, and oysters. Berries are vitamin C powerhouses. Vitamin C is required for your body to build collagen, and more importantly, it helps you absorb the iron from your spinach. Beans and oysters are your concentrated sources of zinc. Zinc helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working effectively, supporting the natural life cycle of each strand. A healthy diet is the first step to your hair's potential. If this helped you, subscribe for more science-backed hacks. Your follicles will thank you.